Hi guys, we're from KANGLONG. Today let's check the unboxing video of BAOFENG DM-32UV model, and it's dual band and dual mode. Let's check the detail. Here you got the user's manual, no antenna, main body, long battery, and as you can see here, 7.4 volt and UHF and VHF bands available, equipped with 2500 mAh battery. And there are other accessories: back clip, the charger, in the cover, and USB charger available. Okay, now let's check the details. Appearance. Here for you from back, the other side, 4 pins. External.
7, 6,
Check menu.
15, 16, 1.
Okay, it's a quick intro. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thanks for watching.